Hey friends, if you love photography and like to sell your photos and videos online, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you never miss any video guides from the Teaching Doc channel.
And here I come. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc. Now I am recording this video at my friend's place, and this place is super noisy because the apartment is beside main road. So you can feel as if car is going over me, right? You can get tire sounds, honking sounds, just like that. Anyways, today's video I'm gonna tell you my update on Alamy and the question that I've been getting a lot: how to upload model release in Alamy. Okay, now first, the big update on my Alamy progress is till last month when I was making sales video, I told you I got 0 sales in 2021 in Alamy. Okay, you can check those videos. Even I already have that Excel file with me right now. Here you can see in last month, that is in March, my earning from Alamy along with many other agencies, Picxy, Blackbox, most for Iconscout, was 0. Okay, and of course my top earner was Shutterstock. You know what is Shutterstock, because there's an agency which actually disables your upload. It happened to me. If you display their account publicly, if you disclose, it's against the terms of service. Okay, anyway, let's forget everything. The focus is in Alamy, where my income was 0, but not anymore. You can see now it's saying 4 sales in 2021. Rather, I got 4 sales this month. 4 photos, not videos, mind it. 4 photos sold for $158. Yes, Alamy is just like that. There will be very high sale and there will be very low sale, right? So let me first show you my sales. These are my sales. You can see 2 editorial photo, editorial. One editorial photo sold for $5, or $4.50. One editorial photo sold for $28.13. One is a simple photo that is bought in 6 MB resolution. Okay, that is 24 cents, like Shutterstock and other Adobe stock. And this is the big one. It's a royalty free, purchased in 37 MB size, huge size. So the cost charged was 125 rupee for one photo. I think it's one of my biggest sales till date in Alamy, right? So in Alamy, the payout is much more complex. I already got once. Okay, and then again I need to wait because this will take some time to get into cleared balance, and Alamy will only pay you cleared balance once it is over $50. Next, leave it. Today's topic, another topic I just told you, that is how to upload model release in Alamy. The thing is, it used to be, the option was available 4 years back, or I think 3 years back when I started. But slowly I have noticed there is no option right now to upload model release. So I contacted Alamy customer care. Okay, they told me you don't need to upload model release along with the photo. Okay, because Alamy photo review system doesn't check your photos individually. It will never reject your photos due to model release. Okay, they mainly check the image quality, right? Image quality, noise, etc. Those things are checked in Alamy QC, that is quality control review. Even without model releases, your photos will be approved. But mind it, if they're editorial, fine, they will sell. But if they are commercial, during sale, when the photos will sell, then the client will ask for model release to you directly via mail. Alamy will send you a mail then to upload a model release. So what I would suggest, if you're uploading to Alamy along with other agencies, keep a model release in that folder so that you don't need to search throughout the whole date. Because once you provide the model release, they will match the model release date with the EXIF date of the photo. That has to match, right? So in case of Alamy and iStock, those are the rules. It means your photo, your model should give consent for photo shoot on the day of photo shoot, not that they have signed model release now and you are taking photos 3 months later. Okay, or if you had taken photos earlier and then they have given consent. Generally, no. Ideally, the shoot date should be after the consent date. Okay, and then you can upload. This I'm not making it up. Alamy customer care told me, but there was a ending of the email said that this information cannot be revealed. Okay, neither Alamy knows what is my email ID, neither I hope neither you will complain to Alamy regarding this video, right? But since I'm not revealing my ID, I'm not at risk, but I cannot show you the screenshot of the mail. Anyway, you have to believe me, you don't need to upload model release right away, but keep that model release. If your photo sales, then only Alamy will ask you for a model release. Okay, so that's for today, that's it for today's video, right? Please hit the comment section and type model. Okay, if you're watching this video till now, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.